Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Cashflow in the Car. And today I want to have a bit of a look at a couple of accounting type terms that have a lot to do with cash flow that often small business owners get a little bit confused about which is which, and that is your debtors and your creditors, or perhaps more correctly in accounting lingo referred to as your accounts receivable and your accounts payable. Now, I find that a lot of people get a bit confused about these terms, debtors and creditors, which is kind of the terms that have been used forever to describe your accounts receivable and your accounts payable. So very quickly, here's how to get a grip on those terms, debtors and creditors. Debtors obviously is made of the word debt, and debtors refers to your accounts receivable, which is money that your customers owe to you. Your customers need to pay you, and they're referred to as your debtors because essentially you're providing them with a short-term loan when you provide 30 days for them to pay you. So they have a short-term debt with you and therefore referred to as your debtors. They owe your money, so debtors owe you money. Pretty simple. Now, creditors. This is the other side of the coin, really. So if you have suppliers, you're buying certain things throughout the month, or you're getting particular services provided, and that particular supplier is providing you credit in the same way that you're providing your customers with time to pay. So it's referred to as providing credit. So therefore, bills that you have to pay to your suppliers are referred to as creditors because you've been provided credit for a period of time before you actually have to pay those bills. So debtors, they're the ones who owe you money. Creditors, they're the ones who you owe money to. Hopefully that gives you a bit more clarity on who a debtor and a creditor is, and when you hear those terms, you'll be really clear now on that. This is Cashflow in the Car. If you like this, why not hit the like button below or subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.